Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna solve question number 11, variant 2, winter 20. This question related with coordinates, geometry, and circle. The equation of the circle given, so you can find the radius and you can find the center of the circle. So the center of this circle will be, change the sign of x will be 8, change the sign of y will be 4, will be 8 and 4. And the radius, which is square root of 100, will be 10. Part A, show that the point T, -6 and 6, is outside of the circle. If we substitute by the value of the point in the equation of the circle, to be inside the circle, this part have to be less than 100. So by substitute by -6 minus 8 the whole squared plus y, which will be 6 minus 4 all squared. -6 minus 4 will be 14, -14 all squared 196, plus 6 minus 4 is 2, squared will be 4, so the total will be 100. 200 is more than 100. This means the distance between the point and the center is more than 10. Or you can find the distance between point T, it's already given -6 and 6, point T, and the center of the circle, which is 8 and 4, and apply the distance between T and C, which is square root of x2 minus x1, the whole squared, y2 minus y1 all squared. You will get it in its simplest form, root of 200, which is 2 root 10. 2 root 10 in simplify, will be 10 root 2, simplified 10 root 2, which is more than the distance between TC, the center, is more than the radius. So this means the point outside of the circle. Another method, if I show the circle in XY coordinate exactly, will be like this. This is the curve of circle. Center C is 8 and 4, and the point is -6 and 6. So how to show that? The center at X coordinate at 8. When you move to the left-hand side, this is the maximum value, which radius will be 10. So this value is more. The minimum value for X is -2, but this is -6. So this means the point outside of the circle. This is part A. Part B, two tangents from T to the circle are drawn. It's better to show that graphically. Two tangents, this is the tangent, from the point of a circle by drawing a tangent to the circle, touch at A and B. From the circle theorem, two tangents out of circle are equal. What else? TC bisect the angle in between. What else? If you join AC, radius and the tangent will be 90 degrees at A or at B. So by drawing two tangents from T, the two tangents are equal. Two tangents from T to the circle are drawn, show that the angle between one of the tangent and the CT is exactly 45. How to show the measure of this angle is 45 degrees. If you take only one triangle, look at this triangle. Tangent and radius is 90 degrees. We already found the distance. BC is a radius, which is 10. And from part 1, we already have distance of TC, which is 10 root 2. You can get the measure of this angle, if we name it X, by using sine. Sine X is equal to opposite, which is tan, over the hypotenuse, which is 10 root 2. If you simplify this value, you will get 10x is equal to 1 over root 2, which is 45. So x is equal to sine minus 1 over root 2. So x will be 45 degrees. Another method, if we try to get the distance of TB by applying the Pythagorean theorem, you can find the distance of TB. TB is equal to 10 root 2 all squared minus 10 squared, and take square root, you will get TB is equal to 10. TB is equal to 10. This means the triangle, this right angled triangle, isosceles. So because it's isosceles triangle, so the measure of each angle will be the others 45. One is 90 degrees, so the other are equal, side equal side, angle equal angle, so each will be 45 degrees. I will show that graphically. So the measure of this angle will be 45, and 45 in red will be pi over 2. This is part B. Part C, the two tangents touch the circle at A and B. Find the equation of the line AB, giving your answer in the form of y equals mx plus c. By looking at this shape, if we join the side of AC, what is the name of this shape? We already have now this side is 10, this side is 10, this side is 10, this side is 10. So this shape is square. How to find the equation of the line AC? If we join line AC like this, and this shape is a square, so AB is perpendicular bisector. The two diagonals bisect, perpendicular and equal. So AB is called equation of perpendicular bisector of TB. Again, AB is perpendicular bisector of TC. How to get the equation of the perpendicular bisector? We need gradient, we need point. To get the point, you can find the midpoint of TC. C is 8 and 4. T is -6 and 6. We'll get the midpoint. What about the gradient? You can find the gradient of the line TC, 4 minus 6 divided by 8 minus -6. So the gradient will be -2 divided by 14 will be -1 over 7. So the gradient of AB, which is perpendicular to the line AB, will be negative reciprocal, will be 7. What else? You can find the midpoint of TC by adding x plus x divided by 2, -6 plus 8 divided by 2, and y plus y divided by 2. So the midpoint will be -6 and 8, 2 divided by 2 is 1. 6 plus 4 is 10 divided by 2 is 5. Now you can find the equation of the line. Y minus y1 is equal to the gradient x minus x1, which is 1. You can simplify and write your answer in the form of y equals mx plus c after expanding 7 by x, and 7 move -5 to the other side to be plus 5. So y is equal 7x minus 2. This is the equation of the line AB. Part D, find the x coordinate of A and B. Coordinates of A and B, the intersection of the line with the curve, so you can solve simultaneous equation between the equation of the line and equation of the circle. Equation of the circle given up x minus 8 all squared, x minus 8 all squared plus y minus 4 all squared is equal to 100. You can use substitute method, remove y and write the expression in terms of x. Expand x minus 8 all squared plus remove x and write 7x minus 2 minus 4 the whole squared is equal to 100. Quadratic equation, expand, simplify, x squared minus 16x plus 64 plus, when you simplify negative 6 and negative 4 and negative 2, we can write direct negative 6. Expand the first squared, the second squared, first by second by 2. 7 times 6, 42 times will be 84. X plus 36 minus 100 is equal to 0. We have now quadratic equation. Simplify. 49x squared and x squared is 50x squared. And minus 16x minus 84x will be minus 100x. 64, 36, and minus 100 will be 0. We can divide it by 50, will be x squared divided by 50 is 2x is equal to 0. Factorize completely by taking x outside will be x minus 2 is equal to 0. We have two factors, their product is equal to 0. So x equals 0 or x is equal to 2. If this is the x coordinates of A and B. If he asks to get the coordinates, you can find the values of y from the equation of line or from equation of circle. He asks only to find the x coordinates of A and B. Thank you.